Here we are back in the movie detail view controller. I'm going to start with the unfavorite button action. As we've been doing all along, I'll set the method parameters first. Then I'll build our URL, and you can see the string interpolation going on here to grab the user ID. And then on step 3, this is probably going to be the biggest change from all the previous step 3s that we've been implementing, mainly because we have to change what the request looks like because we're doing a post. So first I'll set the method to post. Then I'll set the two HTTP header fields to application/JSON. And then I'll create the HTTP body. And you can see this is all one string and that I've escaped the double quotes here so that it still looks like JSON, but it maintains just being one string. Then I need to make the request. Parsing and using the data is pretty straightforward. We want to use the status code value and see if it's equal to 13. 13 is the value that would indicate that the movie's been removed from our favorites list. It looks like I've made another typo here, so let me change that to false. Assuming this code works, then we should be able to remove movies from our favorites list. And if we want to go ahead and implement the favorite action, then the only thing that we really need to change is this value here, and we need to change it to true. So I'll go ahead and copy all this code, we'll paste it over, change the value, and then we'll test to see if everything's working. I've gone ahead and set favorite to true, but there is one other thing that I forgot to mention, looked over. We need to change what status code we're checking for, and we also need to toggle these. So the status codes that come back for when something is successfully added can be 12, or occasionally I've gotten to come back as 1, which is just the default success status code. And then we'll also want to switch these. And it looks like I forgot an equal sign here. So I think all of this should be in place and ready to go, and we can verify with a quick test. Go ahead and log in. I want to add a movie that I haven't put on my favorites before, and we were looking at the Lego movie here last time. So we'll click the favorite button, and we can see that it goes, the blue button's revealed, showing that it is on our favorites list, and we can check this here. So we can see the Lego movie has been added to the bottom. And if we select it and we click it again, if we go back to favorites, we can see that it's been removed. So everything seems to be working and we're at the finish line.